Dear student, as I am discussing this, that in my first program I have given the range up to 100, and second program is that there I have given the range up to 100, but there are the two condition I have applied. What are the two condition? First, if condition, if y modulus 2 equals to 0. Then next if condition, if y modulus 5 equals to 0. That means it says that within one particular list, if you want to give this type of mode checking part or checking phase or checking point, then multiple if you have to use here. Okay, another if you need to use, you can use that also. Then there will be how many divisibility you are checking, how many divisibility you want to find for a program, that is should be clear. That means first and foremost your idea and concept should be clear. Secondly, when you are conducting the particular program, you should do the program by yourself. That means thinking, and you have to do it first. See the solve what I am giving, then you do it those programs by yourself. The program will be much more clear to you. Okay, so here you are seeing it that why I have done it two if, because there I have got a two condition. How to give two condition? By comma? No, comma will not going to accept here. Here, if I give if this modulus 2 equals to 0, comma y modulus 5 equals to 0, the program will not run, it will give a wrong answer. Okay, it will give that condition of the list is not proper. So this is how, this is the way how you will going to implement the different type of loop. So what I have used here, I have used here for loop, I have used here two if loops. So three loop I have used to execute the particular program to find out the number from 0 to 100, that is actually before of the 100, the number must be divisible by 2 and 5. Okay, so if this is divisible by 2, if nothing is there, that means and. Okay, if nothing is there, that means and. That means if this is divisible by 2, and if this means y is divisible by 2 and y is divisible by 5. If it is so, then only you take out those number. So number are what? Up to 90. That means up to 100. After that the next number is 100. But what I have given at first, I have done the checkpoint is for. So for this for loop, what I have implemented here, it has checked it that you know it on different videos also I have said it. The for how much you will going to give, what is the range you will going to give, before of that it will stop. Okay, though it will run up to that much, but it will not show you the value. Before of that number value, what is the nearest value, it will show. So here the nearest value is 90. So it shows 90. But here you see when I do the divisibility of 5 only, so nearest value is 95. Next value will be 100. Okay, easily you can understand from there. So I didn't delete this answer also, the previous one answer. So this is how you will going to do the program. This is a simple list using to check the divisibility of a number, or of the series of number or a list of number with some numbers. What is the number? Number is 2 and 5. So you can do the change whatever you want. If you want 3 and 6, if you want 6 and 9, you can increase the range, you can do that. So all those implement, that means have as much as you implement those program by using your own thoughts and ideas, obviously you will going to have your clear idea. So I am showing you the small programs also and the big programs also. So this is how the list will going to execute. This is how the list will going to create, and you can create a list and you can run the list and you can check the divisibility of the list. Okay, so this is the divisibility that I have done of checking. Next program I am going to bring you with the implementations of our different other part or different other sections. Okay, so as I have said, you see this next program. In this particular program, I have given the three divisibility.